Hello friends, today we are at Badami Resort, which is in Badami, North Karnataka, India. A very nice resort. We are at Badami Heritage Resort. I'll just quickly give you a room tour. We are entering the room. The room is very big, nice and big, very comfortable they have. So you can accommodate 3 people on the bed. There are 3. Nice huge room. It has everything. You enter. There is a space here. There's a cupboard here, which is very spacious. Just close the cupboard. They have a nice space here. Keep all your things. There's a TV over there. Luggage rack. Place to sit and have your tea, coffee. They have a tea coffee maker, and of course they have all the water and all your other things that you require here. It's a huge spacious room. A very good, nice, spacious room. Very neat and clean. Now we'll just enter the toilet. This is also very big. Huge, big toilet they have. This is your bathing area. We got a good deal through Agoda. The people here are very, very cordial and they're willing to help you. Real good people and a very good place to stay. It is exactly opposite the Badami caves, so it takes you no time to reach there. And opposite side you get a nice view of the the rock caves, the rocks absolutely of North Karnataka. Bye friends.